When making any cocktail video, I always do a little bit of research beforehand. And with the Planter's Punch, there's a lot of uncertainty behind it, should we say. There's many different variations of recipes. There's many different stories of where it came from. Now, to ensure I'm giving you the best and simplest Planter's Punch recipe, I've taken the best elements and the most common ingredients from all the recipes that I've found. And they include dark rum, lime juice, Angostura bitters, grenadine, sugar syrup, a little bit of dilution, and some pineapple juice. So much so, I maybe even down it now. There is a little rhyme that you can use to remember the original Planter's Punch recipe that I found on the Difford's Guide website. You can check that one out. And this rhyme can be used to associate with pretty much a lot of cocktails, especially punch cocktails. And it goes 1 of sour, 2 of sweet, 3 of strong, 4 of weak. For the Mocktail Planter's Punch, I'm going to be using this 3-spirit livener because it has a nice fiery kick to it, which is really similar to what you get from a regular Planter's Punch cocktail. Fiery. If you want to learn any of the tricks I've been performing with this jigger, then check out my secondary channel up here where I'll be posting a video of all the fancy jigger pours that you've seen whilst making these Planter's Punch cocktails. So there we have it, our alcoholic and non-alcoholic Planter's Punch, and to decide which one is best, I'm going to have my very beautiful and glorious and glamorous assistant. Please welcome Trish. Which one do you want to try first?
This one.
Go for it. This is the non-alcoholic Planter's Punch.
This is really good.
Really good?
Yes.
Can you explain the tastes to the lovely people at home?
No.
Okay, good. And this one, the alcoholic Planter's Punch.
It's good, but I prefer this one.
It's delicious, right?
Yes.
Wow, you got to try these out for yourself. Really delicious?
Really delicious.
See, I do make good drinks, apparently. So there you go. Thank you very much for watching. And
bye.
Bye. Well, there we have it. Thank you very much for watching. And before you go, if you like this video, go and check out this one. It's on the espresso martini. I was struggling to find a good mocktail espresso martini. And there it is on this video. So if you like this one, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, check this one out next. You're gonna love it. If you love this one, you'll love that one. But anyway, see you next time.